You know that annoying moment when you have to decide between using, for instance, a G7 sharp 9 dominant chord versus a sharp 5 dominant chord? Of course not, because you probably suck at harmony, seriously. I see so many producers, so many sound designers who struggle to link together 3 chords, and then they get excited when they found this plugin or app online that generates chords automatically for them to use.
Bruh.
And they're like, oh my god, what a good hack. Got the hard part out of the way. Let's do some sound design. No, you're missing an opportunity to inject your track with some of your creativity and personality through harmony and voice leading. So today I will give you the most basic harmonic framework that should help to hopefully nudge you towards the good notes while avoiding the poo-poo notes. Unless you're a jazz major, in which case, why the heck are you here, bro? Whew, got the hard intro part out of the way. Let's get harmonic. Step 1, destroy an apple. Step 2, form 3 note chords, aka triads, by going note space, note space, note, then move your fingers up and down while respecting the same structure and use only white keys starting from the key of C. This will be your tonic, your anchor point, your bat cave, the center of your universe, much like your wife. Just kidding, we all know it's your PC rig. So just keep that pervy hand in a comb shape and go through all the chords and notice that everything sounds Step 3. Anything that doesn't sound good, substituted with its dark cousin from the minor version of the scale. This is C major, by the way. All white, all happy, all boring.
Introduce a little anarchy.
Introducing C minor. That has an E flat instead of an E, an A and B flat instead of the decidedly more vanilla A and B. Memorize that layout well and do the same exercise. Now you will find that the B diminished that sounded like an uncooked omelet now turns into this beautiful swan song of a B flat. A minor becomes the grandiose A flat major and D minor becomes balls. D minor lived long enough to see itself become the villain. Step 4. Input all the chords from both scales into your muscle memory by playing them over and over again till you puke. Then start constructing chord progressions by combining chords from both scales to taste, and done. Bang. Wallop. Special note, I'm not saying you need to use the most basic, boring triad voicings, but I'll cover voicings in a different video. This was just to get you started without drowning you in too much theory. Click the like button if you want me to make more of these lesson thingies. Subscribe if you want to actually get around to seeing them. And share this with someone whom you think needs it, like that jazz major who thinks he's so much better than us.